Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the I Teach channel, and today we are going to start our quarter 4 week 1 day 1 English class. Welcome to our English 5 class. So today we are going to learn how to analyze visual and multimedia elements contribute to the meaning of a text. So in this lesson, you will be learning how to define visual media, identify the kind of visual media. So let us start this lesson with this activity. So directions. You are going to classify the viewing materials below as printed or digital. You're going to write your answer in the proper column. So we have here in the box below, we have laptop, painting, cell phone, television, book, magazine. So you're going to classify them into printed materials or digital materials. So are you ready? All right, so laptop, of course, it's considered as digital. Very good. Painting, yes, it is printed material. Cell phone, it's a digital material. Television, yes, it's a digital. Book, it's a printed material. And then magazine, it's a printed material. Wow, that's great. Okay, so now here we are going to read the dialogue and answer the following questions that follow later. So we have here this dialogue. So listen carefully. Carol, how can we get the updates of COVID-19 cases? Ligaya, a map of COVID-19 confirmed cases as shown by the case tracker of DOH was posted in social media. Rose, there are also posting of infographics and charts on the number of cases every day. Galeth, there are also posters in social media that give updates. Meti, what is more interesting in the news about the COVID-19 vaccines? Juliet, yeah, that is true. We hope that this pandemic will end soon. All right, so let's answer the following questions. Who are talking in the dialogue? Yes, of course, we have Juliet, we have Carol, we have Ligaya, Meti, and Galeth. What are they talking about? Yes, great job. They're talking about COVID-19 cases and how are they going to track, all right, the number of cases. Very good. How can we get the updates of COVID-19 cases? Yes, it was being stated there that we can go through the maps updated by the DOH every day. We have also the infographics. Very good. Yes, that's correct. And we can also get it from posters. And yes, of course, those things are through those are the examples of visual media. So, are you familiar with the following images? Can you name them? Oh, we have here the first one. We have the infographics. As you can see, there are charts. Okay, there are informations. So we can get information from the given graphics or from the given pictures. Okay, so that is infographics. Next, we have the flashcards. Oh yes, this is a flashcards, and the flashcards, of course, are being used by the teachers. They are flashed during the class, and the cards, the small cards, of course, include contains a lot of information. And the next one, this one, it is the map. A map, of course, is telling us the location, different kinds of places. You can also uh, gather some information about the latitude, the longitude, and also the equator. Next, so we can take a look at the concept map here. So the images are called visual media. Yeah, they are called visual media. They are examples of visual media. So visual, when you say visual, this is relating to seeing or sight. Of course, you're using here your sense of sight, and the organ that we're using is your eyes. Next, we have the media. A media is a communication outlet or tools used to store and deliver information or data. So, what Yeah, we have there the infographics. Okay, I mean, infographics can be tracked or can be seen in the social media. So we have Facebook, we have YouTube. So there are different kinds of social media actually. So we have the printed media, and we have also the digital media. So as what we had, as what I think you had learned this when you were still in grade four. Okay, so one of the examples of the digital media is, of course, my website, the YouTube channel, the Facebook, and for the printed material, we have the newspapers, okay, the magazines, books, and your modules. Okay, so what does visual media mean? So based on the concept there, of course, it is everything that you can see wherein it is telling us information. So what are the kinds of visual media? So we have there, as what you had learned a while ago, that some of the examples are flashcards. We have what else? Infographics. Okay, so let's learn them together. So listen carefully. Visual media are sources of information in the form of visual representations. This can be illustrations, summaries, diagrams, or digital reproductions of the object. They help the readers or viewers clarify and comprehend information because they are able to develop their own understanding of the content and avoid misinterpretation. In addition, they also attract the readers or viewers, understand easily the data or information, and allow a deeper interaction with text and symbols of all kinds. So here are the following kinds of visual media. We have the flashcards. Actually, this is very common to all of you because your teacher been using this when you were still in kindergarten. So flashcards containing information help us or help up for students to see as aid to learning. Then we have the infographics. These are visual images such as chart, graph, or diagram used to represent information or data. Next one, we have the cartoons. This is a type of illustration about objects, persons, ideas, or situation which give information through the use of symbolism or humor that would catch attention. So you really love this, guys. Billboards. These are large outdoor board for displaying advertisements. So you can see there on the roads, along the roads, okay, or on the building. Next, we have the posters. These are large printed pictures, text, or notices that you stick or pin to a wall or board. And the last one is a map. Okay, maps are illustrations that show the features of a flat surface of an area. So we have here the examples, the Philippine map. Okay, so right now you are going to write the name of the following visual medias. So yes, you are correct. Number one is a flashcard. Very good. Number two is a billboard, or I mean, are billboards. Next, yes, this is an infographics. Very good. Number four, correct. This is a poster. And the last one, what is this? Good job. It's a, or they are cartoons. Okay, so right now you are going to write the kind of visual media being defined. So who can tell me? Number one, a large outdoor board for displaying advertisements. Wow, that is correct. It's a billboard. Next one, illustrations that show the features of a flat surface of an area. Correct. It's a map. Next, we have the large printed pictures, texts, or notices that you stick or pin to a wall or board. Very good. It's a poster. Next one, cards containing information held up for students to see as aid to teaching. Great. They are flashcards. And number five, visual media such as chart, graph, or diagram used to represent information or data. Very good. We have the infographics. Okay, so always remember that visual media are sources of information in the form of visual representations. These are posters, infographics, flashcards, maps, billboards, and cartoons. So for your assignment class, okay, I mean not your assignment, you are going to answer this, okay? So you have to read each item and write the letter of the correct answer. So you're going to write the letter of the correct answer only. It can be used as shortcuts to represent ideas or concept. A, book; B, computer; C, radio; D, symbol. Next one. These are sources of information in the form of visual representation. A, visual aid; B, visual arts; C, visual media; D, visual elements. Number 3. The following are the importance of visual media except: A, attract the readers or viewers; B, entertain the viewers or readers only; C, understand easily the data or information; D, allow a deeper interaction with text and symbol. Number 4, what does the image in the box representation? A, walk by pair; B, stand one by one; C, observe social distancing; D, stay away from each other. So actually there is no box of image. Oh, I forgot to put it. All right, so we have here a picture, okay? Picture of a boy and another boy here, and then it has a line and it says 1 meter. So what does it mean? Okay. Number 5, the following are examples of visual media except: billboards, infographics; C, flashcards; D, speaker. Okay, guys, for your assignment, you are going to write the T if the statement is correct and F if it is not. Number 1, radio is an example of visual media. Number 2, there is no sound involved in visual media. Number 3, visual media can help the readers or viewers to understand easily the data or information. Number 4, visual media are sources of information in the form of audio representation. 5, poster, infographics, and flashcards are some of the examples of visual media. So there you have it, guys. Good job for today. We are going to answer your questions tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. That's all for today. Goodbye.